Okay, I'm gonna put you in cuffs. Okay?
That's fine.
You're gonna be put in cuffs. Okay, supervisor's on his way. Okay? I'm asking you questions here.
Hey guys, I'm being arrested right now, being put in cuffs for taking pictures of the police department. Don't turn my phone off.
Okay, you are not in control here.
I am, actually. You work for me, I don't work for you.
Hey there.
On March 31st, 2018, in Pueblo, Colorado, First Amendment Auditor Sean O'Connell was filming the police department building from a public sidewalk. He was legally exercising his right to record in public. While he was filming, Officer Romero from the Pueblo Police Department approached Mr. O'Connell. At this point, the interaction was considered a consensual encounter, meaning Sean wasn't being detained, didn't have to answer any questions, and was free to walk away.
How are you? Excuse me, sir. What are you doing? Hey. Hey. I'm asking you a question. Who are you? Why are you taking pictures of the department?
A consensual encounter is a voluntary interaction between a police officer and a member of the public. The officer is allowed to ask questions, but the person isn't legally required to answer, show identification, or remain at the scene. As long as a reasonable person would feel free to walk away, no suspicion or cause is required.
Sir.
But things changed when Officer Romero made physical contact with Sean. At that moment, it stopped being a casual interaction. It became a detention, and by law, that requires something called reasonable suspicion. A real specific reason to believe a crime might have happened.
Don't touch me.
Okay, I'm gonna put you in cuffs. Okay?
That's fine.
You're gonna be put in cuffs. Okay, supervisor's on his way. Okay? I'm asking you questions here.
Hey guys, I'm being arrested right now, being put in cuffs for taking pictures of the police department. Don't turn my phone off.
Okay, you are not in control here.
I am, actually. You work for me, I don't work for you.
46, I got one in custody over here. I need a supervisor.
You're gonna lose your job, buddy. It's illegal detainment. Can you please call a supervisor out here? This is illegal detainment under 16-3-103.
Okay. Hang out here.
You don't have permission to search me. I don't consent to any search procedures.
Okay, I'm waiting for a supervisor to come up here.
Okay, that's fine.
Okay.
What's your name and badge number?
Romero, 0702.
Okay, sounds good. Did you stop my video camera over there?
I'm not messing with your phone, okay?
Can you tell this officer to take his hands off me and to uncuff me?
No, I don't want to tell him anything.
Okay.
You'll wait till the supervisor gets here, and you can talk to him from there, okay?
Right, I'm done talking to you guys then.
Okay.
So what's up?
He's taking pictures of the department, taking pictures of all our stuff here, so I don't know what he's doing. Try to talk to him, he's not talking to me, he starts walking away.
Is that a reason to cuff me?
Yeah, you're being detained right now. Yeah.
For what? For what crime?
Yeah, no, it's reasonable suspicion.
Of what crime?
Okay.
You have to have reasonable suspicion of a crime to detain somebody.
I am not going to speak to you.
That's
you can
fine.
speak to my supervisor when he gets here.
You have me in cuffs right now.
Okay, yeah. You're
So
being
I'm
detained at the moment, yeah.
Because you're an ignorant asshole.
Okay. What's that? We're not asking you questions.
What? You didn't ask me any questions? You asked me what I was doing, what I was doing, what I was doing. I chose not to answer you, which I have a right to do. Do I not? I do. Thank you. I hope this doesn't take longer than 20 minutes. Because then it turns into an arrest and taking. Hey guys, if I'm still live streaming, call the Pueblo Police Department. Let them know officers Romero and Waring, something like that, are both detaining me illegally outside the Pueblo Department. I don't even know what street this is.
So I'm loading up. I'm loading up. This guy's on the corner. I thought he was taking a picture of the eagle on the department. He's like, oh, okay, no big deal. So I started, putting myself in my patrol vehicle. So he walks past it, and I was like, oh, he's leaving. Can you answer?
Can't talk right now. I'm busy.
So he starts walking, so I back up, and then he's next to this corner now taking pictures. I'm like, what is he doing? So then he comes over, he starts taking pictures. Oh, it looks like he's taking pictures of these signs. I don't know if he's taking pictures of these cars or
He's
what.
part of an organization called the First Amendment Strike Team.
Is he?
Yeah, so
Okay.
he's trying to see what we're going to do.
Okay.
He has every right to do that.
Okay, and that's fine with that. I don't have.
Go ahead, cuff him.
I'd like to
Uncuff him,
call and get this officer
Sorry,
right now.
Uncuff him.
Because I did nothing wrong. I was not breaking the law. This officer just illegally detained me under CRS 16-103.
Because the officer didn't have a valid reason to detain him, it became an illegal stop. That's a violation of Sean's Fourth Amendment rights, the right to be free from unreasonable searches and seizures, and it also violated his First Amendment rights, the right to record in public.
I've seen your video, sir, and I know
Okay.
exactly what you're talking about.
Who am I?
First Amendment Strike Team.
Okay,
I know exactly who you are.
exactly.
Um,
So you know I'm not out here doing anything illegal.
I do.
No, nothing.
I do.
And I'd like to file a complaint against this officer for
There's two-
deprivation of rights.
You can actually go into the department.
Okay.
Mr. O'Connell sued the city of Pueblo for violating his constitutional rights. The city settled the case for $41,000, and the police department updated its policies on public recording.